we go.
Yeah. Wow.
It's pretty dark in there.
Wow, look at that threat, Stu.
Awesome. That does look good, doesn't it?
It's like a...
God, it's full of stuff.
Oh, that's that.
Right, I'm going to close this door.
Yep.
That is closed now.
Wow. Oh, look at that. It's a pram.
It is a pram as well.
Oh, it's like a, yeah, it's a baby and a doll.
My goodness.
Let's just have a...
Full
we
of
can
furniture.
just get the lay of the land. What's through here? Because the public aren't allowed in here.
Oh,
So,
really?
yeah.
Okay. Well, we're very
another
privileged
door.
then, aren't we?
It's the bedroom.
We've just been teleported back
It is, it's like...
70 odd years, haven't we, sir? It's almost like...
Well, to be fair, you come from the north, so this is only really going back 5 years or so for you, isn't it?
Everything we know modern today doesn't really exist now, being in this building, does it?
No. Do you know the weird thing about this is, it even, there's that smell of age in here, and I'm not imagining this is an original prefab, I'm assuming. Because these came up all over the place after the war.
It's kind of like being at your grandma and granddad's house.
Yeah?
It really is.
Yeah?
They wouldn't have had anything different, really. This is just awesome.
Is anyone here? What's the route through there?
Is it the bathroom? That I
The
can't
bathroom.
tell it's down. Oh yes, it is. Wow, goodness. It's incredible.
Wow. Is anyone here? Is there any spirit who wants to communicate with us?
Should we introduce ourselves?
That's the tinkling of crockery.
That's the kitchen or the living room.
Well, there's some ornaments on there, but... Hello? Well, there's some crockery there and cutlery.
We both heard that. I heard it.
Can you do it? Can you do it again? Can you move something? What was that? That was there. What is it? The trouble is you can't get one shot of crockery. It's all there.
What's back here? Could have been that. I don't know. It's hard to tell, isn't it?
Can you do it again? Can you move one of these pots or pans for us? We're not here to harm you or ridicule you in any way. We're just here to communicate with you.
No, just watch, keep an eye on the camera, keep an eye on the
What
camera.
the hell, Jenny?
Just keep an eye on the camera. Hello? Oh my God. Louise, there's nobody there. There's nobody there. That door's just opened, have I just seen that?
That happened.
Did you see anything
Yeah,
on the cameras?
No, I'm not. Oh God, I can't even speak. I didn't see anything, but I saw that.
Don't sit down. That door has just opened. I'm going to cry.
I didn't see
I'm
anything.
actually sure.
No.
Didn't they push the video through? There was nobody there. There's nobody there. We've just... Right, I'm scared now.
If we would have seen someone pass back through that canteen, because that canteen's there. So basically, what we've just seen, there's two double doors to our right, which is just off camera here, which correlate with the canteen on camera one. Now, if somebody was there, we would have seen them disappear on camera one.
I'm going to radio through. Guys, sorry to interrupt, but we are absolutely petrified. The door has just swung open. I've ran out and there is nobody there.
Guys, okay, we're sort of in that prefab place.
Well, we're alright, but we're just sort of... The door opened on its own, it just swung open.
And there's definitely nobody there. We're all accounted for.
I didn't see anything on that camera, did we? I don't even look.
Alright, well, I'll let you know if it happens again or if what else happens. We did ask for it.
Not
We
long
did
before.
say,
Not
we
long
did
before.
say, do something. No, sorry, I've just grabbed your boob really hard. Right, hang on, I've got to check.
Right, I'm watching the camera one.
Hello? There's nobody there, Lou.
I've not seen any. I'm looking on camera one. I've not seen anything to say there was someone there.
I'm sorry, I grabbed you really hard then.
Oh God, don't worry. To be honest, I just want to grab you back.
Don't sit down.
So just to emphasise, this is supposed to be a really active room that we're in. Staff have seen things move around in the bar area.
Guys, it's just happened again. We're feeling really, really uneasy now in here.
Can you please turn the radio on? Can we have some wartime music? Could you even move the clock? Move something in this living room so we know you're here. We know you're capable of doing it. This is why we're here.
Get in there, quick, get in there! Get in there, the bike!
What's happened to it,
The
Carl?
bike just moved, look! Stu, the bike has just moved. I need to... Look. That I saw that out of that frame. Through the door, there is no one else here. I've got to check every room. Ah, crap. Ah,
Right, stay where you are. Look out the windows, Carl, now.
I've got to go under the beds.
Right, I'm going to go in this room. Is there any lights in here at all?
There's no lights at all.
Right, there's nothing.
Right, there's
nothing in here.
I can't see beyond there. I can now. There's nothing there. Right. There's nothing in
No
this.
one out there. No one out there at all.